Hello YouTubers, I am back with another video. Today I want to show you a great extension called TubeBuddy. Most of you are very familiar with this extension. There are two types of TubeBuddy, a free one and the other is premium one. So let's dive into the extension more deeper. Let's go into my channel. So if I go to my channel, on right side I just go to my channel, then you see on the top there are channel analytics. So here you can see the total lifetime views and videos, and total statistics are shown here. So it comes from channel analytics, and it's the extension called TubeBuddy. And then if I open any of my video on editing mode, then you see here the details on the left side my video. I just click on TubeBuddy tools, and there you find all the different tools. So let's see much deeper. If I scroll down a little bit more, then you find thumbnail, and here the option comes from TubeBuddy, create thumbnail. If I click on it, here you can create your own thumbnail for your own video. So that's very easier part. Then if I scroll down a little bit more, then all the tags of my video appears here. So if I double click on any of these tags, then it will comes with a pop-up, and it shows explore keywords, and it also shows me the overall score, the related keywords, the video searches, web searches, and all the other things appears here, and score analytics also here. So if I close it and scroll a little bit down, I find here tag tools, and these tag tools just allow me to copy, sort, and keyword explorer and suggested. If I click on suggested, then it will suggest me all the tags for my own particular video, and that's super cool, guys. So and the other things here also recommended tag option. So the TubeBuddy extension automatically recommends me the most popular tags for my own particular video. So then on the top I click on TubeBuddy extension, and I find the pop-up here, and all the tools here, popular tools, and keyword explorer is the most popular tools. So I find the keyword is good or not good. So if I found this keyword good, and it will show the analytics here, and that's how I can choose the best keyword for my own particular video. And also the thumbnail generator, as I already explained, and the health report, the total analytics of my YouTube channel are already shows here. So all the different options are here. So that's the super cool extension today I introduce all of you guys. Just please come back to TubeBuddy and just test it. And I find this information here really helpful, and hope you all love it. Just try it once and you will be a big fan of it. That's it, guys. So if you really find this video helpful, just give me a big thumbs up. Also like, comments, and share my video, and stay tuned for the next video. So till then, be safe. Bye bye.